Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of our Flutter tutorial series. If you are looking to learn mobile app development and want to build apps for both Android and iOS with a single code base, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll cover what is Flutter, why should you learn it, how does it compare to other frameworks, and what will you learn in this course. Make sure you subscribe because I'll upload a new Flutter tutorial every single day. So let us start with the basics. What is Flutter? Flutter is an open source UI framework created by Google and allows developers to build beautiful high performance applications for mobile, Android, such as Android, iOS, web, and even desktop, all from a single code base. It uses programming language called Dart, which was also developed by Google. Unlike frameworks like React Native, which rely on native components, Flutter renders everything from scratch using its own graphics engine called Skia, making animations and UI smoother and even faster. Fun fact about Flutter: more than 50,000 apps have built with Flutter. Companies like BMW, Alibaba, eBay, and Google Ads using Flutter for these apps. According to recent reports, Flutter is one of the fastest growing mobile development frameworks. Now let's talk about the big question. Why should you learn Flutter? Write once, deploy everywhere. With Flutter, you can use a single code base to build an app, Android, iOS, web, and even desktop, saving time and effort. Flutter using this on render engine instead of relying on native components, which result super smooth animations and faster performance. Hot roads. And this is actually the developer's best friend. One of Flutter's best feature is hot rod. Okay, which allows you to see changes instantly without resetting your app. It speeds up development like crazy. If you are already working with Java, Kotlin, or JavaScript, learning Flutter is a bliss. Plus, Google provides excellent documentation and ton of resources to get started. Flutter is becoming more popular in the job market, and many companies are looking for skilled Flutter developers. As a freelancer, you can get high-paid projects from clients around the world. So you want to get a job or start freelancing, build your own startup, Flutter is a fantastic choice. How does Flutter compare to other mobile framework like React Native or C Kotlin? Started with languages. Flutter using Dart, React Native use JavaScript, and Swift and Kotlin using Swift and Kotlin. In the single code base for Android and iOS, Flutter is supported. React Native also supported, but Swift and Kotlin no. Performance, Flutter is a high performance, React Native medium, and Swift and Kotlin excellent. Customize UI components, Flutter can provide fully customizable, but React Native limited, and Swift and Kotlin yes. Backed by Google, it's very important. because Google is a very big company, and if you get backup by Google, it's a iconic actually feature for you. So Flutter is supported, but React Native and Safe Kotlin, no. If you want a fast, modern, and efficient way to build cross-platforms apps, Flutter is a top choice. Actually, I want to say fantastic choice, but it's a top choice. Now that you know what Flutter is and why it's worth to learn, let's talk about what you learn in this course. In this beginner-friendly series, we'll cover setup Flutter and your development environment, understanding the Flutter project structure, build UI with Flutter widgets, handling user interactions, buttons, forms, input fields, state management, and optimizing your code. That's very important. Working with APIs and databases. Build real world project. I be uploading new lessons every day, so make sure to subscribe. Alright, guys, this is for this first episode of our Flutter tutorial series. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you ever worked with Flutter before? If you found this video helpful, give me a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. In the next video, we'll install Flutter and set up our development environment. So stay tuned. Until next video, happy coding.